All right, we're going to do a little circuit here. I've got the little circuit diagram. I don't know that you can see it. Uh, this is it here. Basically, we have two batteries coming out of the positive to a switch. The other side of the switch goes to the a parallel bank. Here's the switch. Here's a parallel bank. I have 100K on one side and 470K on the other. Here's the 100K, the 470K. They both come up to a common point and then back to the negative part of the battery. So here's the common point back to the battery. We do some calculations that parallel that parallel portion, the 100K parallel with the 470K will give us 82.5 ohms. One thing to remember about parallel circuits, parallel resistors will always have a resistance that is less than the lowest value. So certainly 82.5 ohms is less than 100 ohms. Now we would expect there's going to be two currents, one in the 100K and there's going to be one in the 470K. Well, we can calculate that the 100K ohm will have about 3 volts divided by 100K should have about 30 microamps, and the current of the 470K is 3 volts divided by 470K would be 6.4 microamps. So let's see if this bears out. So I've got our meter here. Turn it on. I've got this in micro amp mode. Let's go first to volts, and we should be able to measure 3 volts. And there's 3.03 volts. And I'll turn the switch on, and we should measure the same voltage on the there's 3.03 volts. Looks good. So we've got the whatever voltage appears on the battery, that is appearing on the parallel branch. Now let's measure the overall current. So we're going to switch this over to microamps, 200 microamps, and let's just brute force this here, and this should be the positive portion and this should be the negative portion, and it's 36.5 microamps, 36.5 microamps, and our calculations told us that we should get 36.4, so we're very close. Let's put that back on there. All right, now let's try to measure each individual branch. Let's take this off, and let's see, this is gonna be the negative side, and let's do the positive side, and this is the 100K, and it should be 30 microamps, 30.2 microamps. That's good. Okay, let's put this back. Put it back in there. Cooperate. All right. Now let's take the 470K and let's put this there and this there, and 6.4 microamps. All right, so all our values look like they came out. So let's turn off our meter, turn off the circuit, and that's it.